Hello, good day. Welcome to my channel. This video will demonstrate how to install Windows 11, 24H2 and bypass secure boot TPM 2.0. Step 1. Download Windows 11 ISO, and then this is the most important. The second is to run only one single command. Let's start. Windows 11 download. Okay, we can download the installation assistant to show that this computer is not eligible for Windows 11. Check now. So we can see that this PC does not meet Windows 11 system requirement, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. So let's start. First, download ISO, confirm. Choose English. Download. Let's wait. Okay. Let's go to the ISO file and mount. Right click, mount. Now it is mounted under drive F. Let's go to command prompt. F here and run this command. Next. Keep personal files only, because there are only two options. So remember to backup all your data before continue to install Windows 11. This is just for precaution. Please remember that. Windows 11 is up and running. Windows 11 version 24H2. Check for update. Update is working, still downloading, and let's see the result. We can see this is Windows 11 Pro, same as in WinFirst. Windows update is completed. Now let's restart. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, share and comment. Thank you. Windows 11 has been successfully installed. Windows Update has been successfully done. Windows 11 is up and running. Thank you for watching.